Guys, I hope you all are doing well. I got Chengi, this princess, for 78 billion. This has been a very good game. I hope you all are doing well everywhere, all around the world. Let's see. I love this game because for a fraction of cost, actually you buy tokens and then you convert the tokens into millions and billions of coins. And this right now I'm shooting at 80 million bet per shot, and it pays you back very well. It never keeps you empty. It's always giving you something. Well, I hope you all enjoy. I like I like to play games with Google login. It's much more safer versus sometimes the Facebook logins, but it doesn't work. I just wanted to record this short gameplay because I started with I think 50 billion coins. I'm at 246 billion right now. I'm on bottom right. Everybody's doing well in this room. Let's see if we can get this princess. Somebody got it. Well, cheers. Yeah, I got something too. 22 billion. Wow. The game has amazing winnings and the graphics are extraordinary because all these ancient mythological games are amazing and have the same theme. The treasure box is full. Let's see what we got. 6 billion right there. See how much they pay, like how many coins they give you back. It's amazing. And you can buy tokens for like 20 some cents only. And then you can buy small stuff with like couple tokens here, couple tokens there, or more as much as or as less as you want to use it. So guys, I went to 349 billion. We'll record a few more minutes, then say goodbye to you all. So 80 million bet per bullet. I think I'm the highest in this room as far as shooting. Let's see, the prince here. This is me, Saf P, and Saf Pradhan, VIP 5 here. Somebody got him. Look how beautiful this dragon is. Let's see who gets him. He's very hard to get. And these games have very random winnings, so there's no technique to it. But I like to shoot very slow, and I use laser very less, unless I'm playing with smaller amount coins. After this dragon go away, we're gonna end the game here. Somebody got the dragon. Let's see who's the lucky one. But I wanted to show you guys the graphics with the dragon. It's just amazing. The dragon looks beautiful. We're gonna end after this scene. Whoever wins, we're gonna clap and leave. Beautiful graphics, amazing. Guys, I got 94 million for the dragon. So I'm at 414 billion, 94 billion, sorry. So we're gonna end this game here, and hopefully we see you guys in the next round, on the next game. Thank you everyone everywhere for watching. Goodbye. Leave out of this room so that you can see the front part quickly, and then goodbye. This game, and when you log out, simply settings and switch account. That's the front of the game. Fishing game zone. Alright guys, you guys take care. Goodbye.